Welcome to the journey of mastering the Level A1 test of German language. There is a song with lyrics for every lesson, making it easier for you to learn everything quickly. Improve your vocabulary step by step. We make the grammar a piece of cake for you. For best results, visit our free German language course as often as possible. Easy to understand texts support your learning progress. Keep practicing exercises. Welcome aboard. Let's have a quick listen to today's song. You'll hear it in full at the end of today's lesson.
German nouns, capitalize, yeah, capitalize the German nouns. How weird is that?
Learning requires constant recapitulation. In the last lesson, you learned the following: the concept of the noun gender in German, some masculine nouns, and how to say, this is. Grammar is a piece of cake. In our second lesson, we continue with the basics. In German language, every noun has its own gender. You know that already from the previous lesson. In the vocabulary part today, we will learn some new feminine nouns and how to say, something is here. By the way, perhaps you have already noticed that the nouns in German start with a capital letter? Those aren't typos. The Germans capitalize all nouns, so that you can easily identify them while you're reading a text. Why they do that? Well, the Germans are funny people, always good for a joke. The first letter of every noun is a capital letter, always. German nouns capitalize. This is a common source of typos, so please, never forget to start a noun with a capital letter. There is no exception from this rule. Sooner or later you will get used to this rule, and you will be wondering why the nouns in your own language are not capitalized as well. That's enough grammar for today. Let's learn some more vocabulary. Time for some new and some old vocabulary. Please listen to the following text and try to memorize the German words and expressions. We learn now some feminine nouns and how to say, this is here. The bottle.
Die Flasche.
The sun.
Die Sonne.
The clock.
Die Uhr.
This is here.
Das ist hier.
The clock is here.
Die Uhr ist hier.
Please listen once again and repeat the German words.
The bottle. Die Flasche. The sun. Die Sonne. The clock. Die Uhr. This is here. Das ist hier. The clock is here. Die Uhr ist hier.
Now it's your turn. Please, listen to the English words and expressions, and then tell me the correct German translation. The bottle.
Die Flasche.
The sun.
Die Sonne.
The clock.
Die Uhr.
This is here.
Das ist hier.
The clock is here.
Die Uhr ist hier.
You are doing great. You need some more challenge? How do you say in German? The bottle is here.
Die Flasche ist hier.
The table is here.
Der Tisch ist hier.
This is the clock. The clock is here.
Das ist die Uhr. Die Uhr ist hier.
Wow, amazing! You will learn German quickly, that's for sure. Listening and speaking is your path to success when learning German. Please listen to the following German text and then repeat it out loud. It is crucial for your success that you speak out loud and don't just repeat in your mind.
Das ist die Flasche. Das ist die Sonne. Das ist die Uhr. Der Baum ist hier. Das ist der Hund. Die Flasche ist hier. Das ist hier.
Please repeat one more time.
Das ist die Flasche. Das ist die Sonne. Das ist die Uhr. Der Baum ist hier. Das ist der Hund. Die Flasche ist hier. Das ist hier.
Please pause this video, subscribe to our channel, copy the following text into your notebook, and fill in the gaps with the correct words. Have you entered the correct words? That's awesome. Together we make progress every day. You have learned a lot today. Now you know that all nouns start with a capital letter. You know some feminine nouns and you can say, something is here. Finally, it's time for our new song called German Nouns Capitalize. That means that all German nouns start with a capital letter. Listen, sing, enjoy.
German nouns capitalize, yeah, capitalize the German nouns. How weird is that? Das ist die Flasche, das ist die Uhr, das ist die Sonne, das ist hier. German nouns capitalize, yeah, capitalize the German nouns. How weird is that? Die Flasche, die Sonne, die Uhr, feminine nouns are beautiful. Der Tisch, der Baum, der Hund, masculine nouns are delightful. German nouns capitalize, yeah, capitalize the German nouns. How weird is that? Das ist die Flasche, das ist die Uhr, das ist die Sonne, das ist hier. German nouns capitalize, yeah, capitalize the German nouns. How weird is that? Die Flasche, die Sonne, die Uhr, feminine nouns are beautiful. Der Tisch, der Baum, der Hund, masculine nouns are delightful. German nouns capitalize, yeah, capitalize the German nouns. How weird is that?
Have you enjoyed the course today? Then you could give us a like, and ring the bell. You're about to learn German fast. You will learn even faster if you subscribe to our channel. See you again soon.